Hello again, everyone. Dr. Eric Eastman here, Director of Online Learning at Lake Erie College. I want to cover part 2 of our student orientation video here on online course navigation. So you will see me switch my screen here to the online course room. You will see as I'm moving this around here that we are on the home page. And you will have your login credentials and password to type in here. Once you log in, you should see a list of my courses in the left-hand column here. So as you expand or click on my courses, you should see the course or courses that you are registered for. I am going to access an older course that has been completed just to show you a little bit of the navigation and what those courses look like. These courses are still active, so I don't want to bring you into an incomplete course here. You will not have a faculty tab, but this is how I can get to previous course that has been completed. So once you click on this course, and you will see, again, this side of the course, the left-hand side of the navigation page is the most important area of your course. Literally everything you do will be done in this particular area. The home page always leads you to this area, a little bit of information about the course. It's possible that your instructor would put their syllabus and syllabus link there, as well as any signature assignment. This particular course has a series of assignments that lead or culminate into a signature assignment. So kind of the important stuff is typically posted here. However, it does not have to be, so don't assume just because it's not there that it's not important or it's not part of the course. You may also see some faculty use the calendar. This should be displayed and spelled out in your syllabus week by week, and the weeks typically run Monday morning, 12:01 a.m. through Sunday midnight, but they may not because we have different start times for fall, spring, and summer term. Your professor or instructor may elect to start the class in the middle of the week, which either way you should have a weekend to work on any assignments regardless of the schedule. The other area here that you should at least peruse and take a quick look at are announcements. When I expand the show all announcements, you'll see some of the announcements that I posted in this class. It won't show all of them, but you will get information or notifications that there is an announcement. I encourage everyone to read those because they do typically contain some important information. Handouts is another area here. Apologies. Back. You'll see handouts right here. Another area where you might see some important information, supplemental resources, for example, for your course and or assignments. Again, these are optional, but definitely look for them just to see. Typically, your instructor or faculty member will post the most important stuff in this area. The regular information that you will need to then be aware of. Number one would be the syllabus, and there is a specific tab for the syllabus. It allows you can see that I've loaded mine in this area here. There's a downloadable version, but all of the reading assignments and so on and so forth, course objectives, textbook, and so on and so forth, the grading system, grading scale, and so on and so forth is all listed here. And then a week-by-week scheduled topic with reading assignments that culminates into the final project. So you may see it displayed as this or linked, which I've done both in this particular class. Apologies for the back and forth here. This will allow you to download that particular syllabus, a downloadable version. And then some instructors, if they don't post their reading assignments in the syllabus, they will list them separately at this hyperlink. So definitely check out the syllabus. Should be the first thing that you download. It is the contract for your course and the expectations of your faculty member. The next place you should definitely check out and go sooner rather than later is the Collaboration tab. Collaboration is where we introduce discussion topics or discussion forums. This is the online version of a regular classroom. It's where you interact not only with the instructor but your peers as well. So I'm going to go ahead and open that up. Your instructor may choose the Course Mates tab would be used if there's a group project, or the Chat tab if there are any synchronous applications, for example. These aren't overly common in online courses, but you'll be notified if they are. Forums is consistently used by all faculty because that is where we discuss, again, the various topics. So I'm going to scroll you over here to the middle of the page just a little bit so we can scroll down, and you can see there's an area where you can post questions for the professor, your introduction, and then here's the week 1 through however many weeks the term is, 14, 15 weeks. Discussion topics. So if I open week 1 discussion, you'll be able to see the week 1 discussion topic on page 3 because these are in reverse order here. Online learning notes. Here is the week 1 discussion question. So discuss why analysis is important and so on and so forth. And as you can see as I was scrolling through there, you'll see individual responses by the students in this class, and most of your instructors will require at least 1 or 2 peer responses. Again, as we talked about in part 1, that peer interaction is a key or an essential component of online learning at its best. So discussions obviously are graded and they will show up in the grade book. I'm not able to actually open the grade book, but you can see the link for it here on the left-hand navigation page, so you can check out your grades. And because of FERPA, I can't actually show you actual grades. But the other tab that I want to bring to your attention, which is very important, is the coursework tab. And this is where your instructor will typically list assignments. So if we want to view assignments, click to view. You can see here that we had a written assignment, or in this case, an Excel data analysis assignment in week 2, week 6, week 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, and then the final culmination project in week 15. Simply click on these tabs and then upload your file, whatever's required for that assignment. Most commonly it will be a paper and a Word document, could be an Excel file, PowerPoint presentation, and so on and so forth, and you can upload those accordingly. That's pretty much it. That's really the most essential aspects of the Leo LMS platform that we use. Again, there are a few other tabs in here that your instructors may use, but almost always and consistently, the main page will contain your syllabus, but also there's a syllabus link. Your coursework tab will have a list of your assignments. Collaboration, the forums sub-tab, is where we do our discussion assignments each week. And then the remaining tabs here are supplemental information for you. And again, back to that main page or the home page, that's where we post announcements, information about the course, again, potentially the syllabus link, and handouts or web links that might support your learning endeavors. So, without further ado, back here. Enjoy your online classes. If you have any questions, again, please direct them to your admissions team, your course instructor, program director, or myself, the online learning director. Again, my email is provided here for your convenience. And without further ado, have a great class. Bye for now.